Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go.
Hi guys, thanks so much for watching. Welcome back to my channel. I'm starting this intro very randomly in front of a mess from painting. Who knows if I will get to that in this video. I might do a little bit, but basically if you're new here, I start cleaning in the morning. I clean all day long. I get as much done as I possibly can in these videos. So you are in for some serious cleaning motivation. Go make a nice coffee, a lemonade, whatever you like to drink. I typically start these intros now like holding a nice coffee, and I haven't had a chance to make one. So I'm going to go make one, and then we're gonna get into it and clean as much as we possibly can. If you enjoy this, hit the like button, please subscribe if you're new here, and let's get started. Alright guys, get ready for a chatty video. This is a clean with me and also a decorate with me. It kind of turned into that. I was thinking about, or I was looking at my office and I was thinking, okay, I need to start setting things up in here, and I need to find the rest of the boxes from the office slash walk-in closet from the old house. So after I did the bathroom, that is what I ended up doing. It was kind of a spur of the moment thing, but I felt like I had been putting it off for a very long time, and I knew I had to find everything I had in my old room so I could see what I actually needed for this room. I wanted to, of course, use up a lot of the things in the old room. I don't need everything new. So we do start decorating in the office after this, and you guys see what it ends up looking like. And I'm just really excited for progress. I know everything takes time, but progress is super motivating to see things actually happening and moving forward. So anyways, we're starting out in the bathroom, and I am just going to do some light picking up in here. I'm going to wipe down the vanity, get all of the stuff that was there put away. We'll do a little bit of laundry, and then we will get to decorating.
I can see you want this too, 'cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my...
I finally remembered to wipe down the front of the vanity, the cabinets, and the last few times I've cleaned the bathroom, I have the products put away, the towels I used in the laundry, and then I look at the front of the vanity and think I should have wiped it down. So I wanted to mention that in case any of you guys have been forgetting about that too. But we're doing all of the surface cleaning in this video. I'm not doing tons of deep cleaning. So I skipped the toilet, skipped the shower, bathtub, all of those things. Sometimes it's nice to spend a day on surface cleaning and then another day on deep cleaning. That way I get so much further ahead. With mom life and having to stop a lot throughout the day, I have to like find ways to make things work. So that's what's been working around here lately. Now we're in the office and we're going to be doing the decorating in here. So the first thing I'm doing is surface cleaning again, wiping a few things down, and then I went into the basement in the storage room and found a few boxes that had been lost for a long time. I had to move like Halloween decorations and Christmas decor and all of those things out of the way, and then I found a few boxes that somehow ended up down there that should have been in here. I knew they had to be somewhere. I looked all over the house. So I'm going to unbox those and start decorating the shelving soon.
Could you just shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me? Shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me. Why'd you go and leave me here all alone in the shadows? Could you just shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light?
If you've been with me since the old house, then you know I had a walk-in closet and office in one, but it wasn't a real closet and it wasn't a real office. It was like a very small bedroom that I converted into that, and it had floral wallpaper on the ceiling. It was like really, really cute. So I'm trying to get some style going in here and get things laid out, and I don't have a closet system in the closet here yet. Sorry. So it's going to be a little like random in here. I think I'm going to keep accessories in here for now. I was going to ask you guys, I have handbags in that box. I was going to ask you if you think I should put like handbags on the shelves in here. And then I think I also want to get a rack for clothing that has shelves on the bottom for shoes and put like my favorite and most stylish things on it in the corner in here. So it's going to be a little bit different again. It's sort of like the last one. I don't know. I like having like some stylish outfit things in my office for some reason. It has like a bloggery feel to it, and I always love seeing it style blogger and fashion bloggers offices on Instagram with like their favorite outfits and shoes and sandals and all of that in the room. So I kind of want to do something like that too.
I deserve to know the truth. How come you left me, you left me, you left me, you left me alone in the dark? Could you just shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me, shed a little.
Extremely random fact, that box I'm going through right now is the entire reason I started decorating and unboxing things in here. I have been looking for it for so long and it was driving me crazy. I couldn't find it. I also wanted to tell you guys that I finally found and ordered a rug for this room a few weeks ago, like 6 weeks ago. I showed you a rug actually on the screen that I was going to order, and then I went to order it and I didn't realize it was extremely expensive. It was a few $1,000s. So of course I did not get that one, but I found something different that I ordered yesterday, and as soon as it comes in, I'll show it to you in a video. It really is going to complete this room, and it is like a little bit different. I don't even know how to explain it. It has pink in it, it has blue, it has a little bit of floral, it has a lot going on, but I think you guys are really gonna like it. I feel like it's so me, and it's so pretty. I cannot wait to show it to you.
Street as I go by, and it doesn't even matter to me where I go. I just feel I need to take a ride.
That magazine rack I use for my laptop, and it didn't get a whole lot of use in the living room, so I'm going to add it in here and see if I use it a lot more. And then I know this sounds a little bit crazy, but I think I'm going to put a small slit, like a cut in the rug where the lamp is on my desk, so that I can run the power cord underneath the rug. I'm finally taking the price tag off of that too. A lot of people get very annoyed that it takes me so long to take price tags off of things. I don't know why. I feel like it's not important in the moment. Eventually I take them off. So if you have any ideas of how I can hide a power cord, I just want to make sure it's not like running across the floor forever and I'm going to trip over it and the lamp's going to fall and break. I can see that happening. So it seems like having a little hole in the rug and running it underneath is the only option. But again, if you have an idea, let me know. I'm continuing to wipe everything off on my desk. I'm laying out sticky notes, a stapler, all of those little things.
No, it doesn't even matter to me where I go. Just feel I need to take a ride. I don't know when I'll get back. Keep on going and relax tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open.
When I do finally finish this room in the next few weeks, few months, whatever it is, I need to get some wall art. I definitely am going to get some things for the shelves in here. I will do a final like reveal video. I guess it won't be a real reveal because you guys have seen the process along the way, but I know you know what I mean. When everything's done, I will show you the room in detail and go over absolutely everything. But so much of what you guys see in here is from Home Goods, and a lot of it I have linked on my Like to Know It account. It's Alexandra Beuter, same as Instagram and everywhere else. Like my desk is on there, I'm sure my chair is on there. The bench is from Society 6, and those white shelves are from IKEA.
I'm not heading for the stars, driving down this boulevard tonight. Yeah, playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by.
I'm almost done in here, and then I will do an after and show you what we were able to accomplish today. But first, I'm turning all of these new clothes right side out and making sure they are ready to go upstairs and be hung up and put away in my closet. I did an Instagram try-on haul, and since then they've just been sitting in this corner, so all of that stuff is taken care of. I'm going to wipe off my mirror. Forrest and Chad are sitting in the corner right here. He's having a little apple pop, a frozen pop. Forrest has been teething and his teeth have really been bothering him, so anything frozen he is all about. I wiped down the mirror, finished wiping down the desk and getting that phone cord out of there, and then I will show you how everything turned out today.
I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned.
And here's what I was able to accomplish in just 20 or 30 minutes of unboxing some moving boxes, wiping things down, laying things out. So of course it's not done, but let me know what you guys think so far. I always love my office to be really feminine and girly. This corner I think is where I'm going to do a clothing rack, like a mini one. So let me know if you've seen any that are really cute that you think I would like. I'm going to start looking around for that. I need to fill up these shelves a little more and style them better. And then the rug, of course, will be here soon. I haven't received a shipping notification, but I'm sure it won't take too long. I'll put the shoes on shelves on the clothing rack on the bottom. I know shoes are kind of random, but I always like to share and link to things on Instagram, like outfits, outfit of the days. So that's why I like having shoes in my office. This mirror is my absolute favorite part from Home Goods. And now back to the real work. I'm going to throw in laundry real quick. I'm sorting it, and then in super duper speed I will be folding 1 or 2 loads of laundry and putting that away. Still doing KonMari. I think I'll do KonMari folding for forever. If you don't know what that is, look it up on YouTube. There's a million videos on it. I've done videos on it. I feel like everybody who does these kind of videos has. I do it for t-shirts and long sleeve shirts. I'm not doing it for all of our pants right now, just because we don't have like a closet system with a ton of room at the moment, but once we do, I will be doing it for almost everything that's not hung up. It is so nice being able to see everything at the same time. As far as baby clothes though, I do hang up almost all of Forrest's clothes. It's just so much easier.
I couldn't get him off my mind.
As usual, write a comment, let me know what you're up to right now. Are you cleaning and decorating with me? Are you sitting back, relaxing, and enjoying the video? Also in your comment, let me know what you want to see in future videos. If there's any like seasonal things you want to see. I know we're going to start planting flowers soon, so let me know if you're interested in things like that. If you're interested in outdoor videos or anything like summer specific, I would love to hear from you.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where
We're almost done folding this laundry. We're going to hang up the baby clothes, and then we will keep on going. And while I'm on the topic of other videos, if you only watch my cleaning videos, I highly encourage you guys to check out the vlogs. I do so many day in the life videos too, and lately I've seen a couple comments of people saying I normally only watch the cleaning videos, but I really am liking the day in the life videos. So if you haven't given them a chance, check them out. There's tons. I link recent videos below, and of course you can go back to the channel button and see everything there too.
Now, 'cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out.
As you can tell from all of this laundry, I did fall off the wagon a little bit as far as keeping up with laundry. I go through phases, you guys. I'm either like so perfect about laundry, doing it every day, folding, putting away every day, or I am a hot mess express and have a ton of work to do. So we finally got through that. Now we are hanging up the baby clothes. We're going to wipe down some workout equipment really quickly. I did a little bit more than you see in the video, but it wasn't in focus, so I cut it out. I wiped down the water rower, and then we're going to move on to the kitchen.
I won't waste it. I'll follow you, yeah.
We have a lot going on in the kitchen. There's leftovers out from dinner. I'll put those in the fridge. A lot of dishes, as always, can't get away from those. Some baby items. We did paint the island. So if you haven't watched the vlogs, I've been sharing house projects, and it's a light blue color now. It was navy. It's so much more me and us. I love having it so much lighter. I said in a vlog that the navy just kind of like sucked the light out of that area. So now it's even lighter and brighter than it was before. And actually, as soon as I get this up, we're going to continue painting our bedroom. As you noticed, I didn't get to it in the video. I did order a lot of things I'll tell you about real quick. So I ordered a new blanket for our bed that's blue and white, and then a new bath mat for our bathroom. Still need to order all the hardware and fixtures in there I've been talking about. I need to like finalize and nail down exactly what we're doing. I always like find what I think I want, and then I keep looking and looking until I get sick of looking. And then I ordered 3 baskets for the mudroom for the shelves in there. And what else? I feel like I am forgetting a few things, but of course, as things come in for the house, I always share them, show them to you, link to them, and tell you what I'm doing and why.
I won't waste this. It's 1 a.m. and I ain't tired. I can stand right here and talk all night if you want. I ain't got no place to be, no one's waiting for me. I won't lie, I'm into you. Got like a million ideas what we could do. Cause I'm not gonna let you slip away. I won't waste this. There's something about the way you fix your eyes on me.
A few pans to wash, counters to wipe down, and then I end the video by straightening up in the pantry a little bit. I'm trying to maintain it since I recently did an overhaul in there. The pans that we have been using recently are the Made In brand, like MADE_IN, and there's something that Chad bought recently. I always get pan recommendations, as random as that is, but Chef Chad recommends the Made In brand if you are curious. I think it's the first time he's bought like a nicer set, and he is using them every day and telling me to come look at them because nothing is sticking, and he's like all about them. Random fact, I tell you so many random things in my videos. So now I am going to open and I'm going to set out some sparkling waters. We go through these way too quick.
I'm not gonna waste this. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turning up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young?
And that's as far as I was able to get in this video. How did I do? Are you still cleaning? If you are, the playlist for all my cleaning videos is below. You can play that and hang out with me while you're getting done whatever you're working on. Thank you for spending the time with me as always. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you're new, and I will see you right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye!